cancer medicine or oncology is what we need to go through this week in medical terminology. This chapter gets really in depth. It talks about what causes cancer, environmental type agents. They classify cancers, the different types of cancers and classifications. Descriptions, the gross descriptions and microscopic descriptions are super important here when you look for those headings in your chapter. Grading and staging can help you. The different types of treatments, surgical, whether it's radiation, whether it's chemo, immunotherapy, they start talking about here as well, which is becoming, a little more common as well. When you get to your blue boxes here, there's combining forms, suffixes, and prefixes, but not a ton, but some new ones here you'll have to be making flashcards for. Some tests and procedures, again, not a lot to say there. A lot of abbreviations, when you look at your abbreviations page, it really is kind of a big grouping there. And then the end of the chapter. So take your time getting to know the oncology portion of medical terminology this week.